How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Capital Gains 500 video, and today we are checking out Virgin Galactic Holdings, known as SPACE.
Awesome!
Or SPICE. I don't know, we're missing a letter, but SPACE or SPICE, whatever. Virgin Galactic is popping off today, Thursday, June 9th, 2020. And actually, the run it's had in the past month is actually quite substantial. It's been fluctuating up and down, up and down, up and down, which makes this a great trading stock, but I don't see any options. But if you just want to buy and sell shares, that's cool. And I think that's what a lot of people have been doing, buying and selling, buying and selling, buying, selling at the dip, and it goes down. But today it popped off again with some people pumping it up to almost $19. Is it going to touch it? Has it touched $19? Yes, it has. Earlier in the day went down from a little bit of selling, but now we are holding strong at $18.95. And if we go over to Webull, where we can see a better chart for the last 3 months, it's held a really good support line on $16. So that's where it's mainly been consolidating. It hasn't really gone under it heavily, but it does go as low as $14.75. So this is a good pattern if you're trading the stock up and down, up and down, up and down. But again, I don't make any recommendations. I'm just showing you guys what has been going on in the past, what's going on in the present, and what could possibly go in the future. As you see, it has gone all the way to $9, and this was before the crash, the stock market crash in March. So after then, we haven't really gone to all-time highs. So does this make SPACE a very good contender to hold long term and or hold for the short term to make a quick buck and have SPACE jump up to another resistance, a super high resistance of $25 for say? And let me draw that out for you guys so you can see it. Can we go back up to $25 right there? That would be some incredible gains. Today, as you can see, it spiked up on our 4-hour interval. It spiked up all the way to $19, and it's just holding position at 18. I don't know. I think it could hold back if the patterns keep holding true. It'll push back. In order to keep getting higher highs, it needs to hold $19 as a new support line consistently. But as we can see, it does for maybe a day or two or three before dropping back down. So I feel like this stock is just being heavily traded. But again, can SPACE go all the way to $25, getting a beautiful return of around 40%, as you see right there in the plus $7, almost $7.50. Adding to the stock price, and that would be a 40% return. That would be crazy gains right there. Again, is it just me, or do I not see options here? Webull, are there options? Let me know in the oh yes, we do have options. So these are scary options. All right, always be careful when you're trading options, especially the one expiring tomorrow. They might expire worthless, in my opinion. They jumped immensely, obviously crazy gains. Who saw this coming? I certainly did not. I can't even tell why it popped up today. It just popped up and it was on the top movers in Robinhood. And as you guys know, we're a stock market news channel, sometimes drama channel. So it popped up on the radar, and I wanted to make a quick video on this. The hype has calmed down on it. Like I said in the beginning, it's holding resistance and it's holding support mainly around $16.50. A nice pop to $19, getting people a nice return of 12 to 15% depending on where they sell or where they exit. Long term, I don't know where this stock is going. Obviously, this company is very ambitious with what it wants to do, and a lot of people really liked it back here again before the crash. But why haven't we got that hype? Can SPACE, Virgin Galactic keep pushing forward for some of their ambitious space travel? In my opinion, for this to have a huge run up all the way to the 25, passing the 25 to 30, trying to be an all-time high of $42, in order for that to happen, the technology and reports of we are now ready to send people to space, to have travel, to experience this one-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Well, I guess you could do it multiple times if you're a gajillionaire and could continuously pay for the tickets for airspace travel. Very ambitious company. I really like it. I think a lot of people also do. Their market cap is at almost $4 billion. Pretty good for a space company, and pretty good for a company doing something very different and unique. We still have to see where it's going to go. My full trust is not there as a long-term stockhold owner, especially with all the uncertainty in the world and what's going on. Is space travel something we need right now? Let me know in the comments down below. And are you buying any SPCE stock, space stock from Virgin Galactic? Have you bought in earlier? Are you always buying in when there's a dip and holding for the long term, or are you holding and selling a couple days later after you notice the patterns before a lot of other people did? So comment down below. Again, great company. I like it. I think it's really cool that it popped off today. I was just scrolling through the news articles. I'm not going to read all of them or really pinpoint what can be the catalyst for today's movement. I'm just very intrigued that there is a lot of support for this type of venture in this company, because we do need something to work for. Humanity needs to keep striving forward and do great things. I feel like with all these civil unrest and uncertainty in the world going on, it's great to see companies like Space, Virgin Galactic do amazing things to kind of push the limits of what we as humans are capable of and bring a better future for our kids, and something that is out of this world quite literally, and keep testing humans' imagination and their limited beliefs to keep pushing forward, and to ultimately have people going to space and traveling and seeing what that there is more out there in this world other than your small mind in your small town. Congratulations to Virgin Galactic. Congratulations to everyone who's making money today. I'm very happy for you. I hope you guys keep doing well. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, comment what you're thinking. I really like those comments. I think I'm going to do a comment video review, so definitely keep those comments coming. I like both positive and negative comments, and make sure to subscribe for more videos coming soon. Thank you and goodbye.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, Bob and Doug.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.